If you're watching this video, that means you've stumbled across my YouTube channel. My name is John. I host a DIY channel called ManCrafts. It's a very sophisticated, intelligent,
and then we can begin,
and professional DIY channel. The greatest you'll ever find on the internet. So settle in, check out the playlists, and remember to subscribe by hitting that button, which is somewhere on your screen. Remember, you can follow me on Facebook @RealManCraft. You can also follow me on Pinterest and right here on YouTube. The lady next to her is probably very concerned about what she sees when she looks into my living room. Buckle up, enjoy the ride. I think we've got all the B-roll we need.